Now I am going to start a new chapter, exponents. First of all, I am defining exponent, what is exponent, and then I shall define laws of exponent, exercise 2a. Let us consider a mathematical expression a into a into a into a dot n times. Means you have to multiply a n times. In power notation, what can you write it? In power notation, you can write the above expression as a to the power n. What does it mean, a to the power n? It means we have to multiply a up to n times. Here, a is called base and n is called exponent. Now, ये जो है this is exponential form. This is known as exponential form. The base of this exponent is a and the exponent is n. It means on which the power is raised, that is called base and the power is known as exponent. And this is exponential form of this mathematical notation. Here a, now we can write here minus a to the power a. Here the value of a to the minus a to the power n will be a to the power n. It means minus sign will be vanished. In which condition? If n is an even number, and the minus sign will exist here if n is odd number. So this is basic idea of exponent and a mathematical expression when it is expressed in exponential form, we get such type of thing. Now I am going to explain laws of exponent. The first law is a by b to the power n. It means a into a into a should be multiplied n times, and similarly b should also multiply n times, and this will become a to the power n, b to the power n. So this is the first law, a by b to the power n equal to a to the power n by b to the power n. Example, you can take this as example 2 by 3 whole cube equal to 2 to the power cube by 3 to the power cube. We have to show that LHS should be equal to RHS according to this law. LHS 2 by 3 to the power cube, this will be equal to multiply 2 3 times, we get 8. Similarly multiply 3 up to 3 times, we get 3 3 9, 9 3 27. It means the value of LHS is 8 by 27. RHS 2 to the power cube, 3 to the power cube. This will be equal to 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. Thus we see LHS equal to RHS. It means this law is correct. Now come to the law second. A by b to the power minus n equal to b by a to the power n. Example, you can take example 5 by 6 to the power minus 2 equal to 6 by 5 to the power square. LHS minus 5 by 5 by 6 to the power minus 1. You can write here 1 by 5 by 6 to the power square. This will become 1. Now to change exponent into positive, you must write the reciprocal of the rational number. We have already known it. So 5 by 6 to the power square, this will become positive. This will become 25 by 36 and this will go up, and this is how we get 36 by 25. Now come to the RHS. 6 by 5 to the power square. This will become 6 6 ja 36 and 5 5 ja 25. So this is how we find that LHS is equal to RHS. Thus this law is correct. Now come to the third law. A by b to the power 0 equal to 1. It means any number, any rational number which exponent is 0, that will be equal to 1. I am giving you an LHS a by b to the power 0. A by b to the power n into a by b to the power n. I have considered this expression because if you add n and minus n, this will give you what? This will give you 0. If you add here n plus minus n, this will give you 0. So you can put any value of n. Simply you should be careful that one exponent should be positive and one other exponent should be negative. Then the sum will be equal to 0. You can write here a by b to the power n, and if you write reciprocal of this, then the exponent will become positive. Thus you can write here a by 1 by a by b to the power n. This can be written as a to the power n, b to the power n into, this will go up, e to the power n into a to the power n. And finally what you get? This will cancel and this will be also cancelled, and this will become equal to 1. If for example 4 by 5 equal to 0, you can write here 4 by 5 to the power 2 into 4 by 5 to the power minus 2. Here I have taken the value of n equal to 2 minus 2. If you add 2 and minus 2, it will give you 0. Now come here, 4 by 5 to the power square into right reciprocal of 4 by 5 to the power 2 to make this exponent positive. And you can write here 1 by 4 by 5 to the power square. And this is how this will become 4 by 5 to the power square into 5 by 4. This is reciprocal of this. 4 by 5 ka reciprocal inverse, what will 5 by 4. Now write the value of this. 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25. This will become 25, this will become 16. On cancellation, you will get equal to 1. So this is how any number which exponent is 0, that will give you equal to 1. Now come to the last 4. Last 4 is a by b to the power n into a by b to the power n. this will become a by b to the power m plus n. Means there is addition of exponent. For example, you can see here 3 by 4 to the power cube into 3 by 4 to the power square. This will become 3 by 4 to the power 3 plus 2, that is 3 by 4 to the power 5. Now LH is equal to 3 by 4 into q into 3 by 4 to the power square. You can write this 3 into 3 into 3. 4 you can write here 4 into 4 into 4 into, you can write this expression like this 3 into 3 by 4 into 4. If you multiply 3 5 times, you will get 243. And if you multiply 4 by 5 times, you will get 1024. This is how the value of LHS is 243 by 1024. Now come to RHS 3 by 4 to the power 5. What does it mean? We have to multiply 3 5 times. If you multiply 3 by 5 times, then you will get 443. And if you multiply 4 5 times, you will get 1024. So this is how we see that LHS is equal to RHS. Now loss 5 is a by b to the power n divided by a by b to the power n. This is laws related to division. You can write this. This is equal to a by b to the power m minus n. In what condition? If m is greater than n. And if m is less than n, then you can write 1 by a by b to the power n minus n. For example, you can take 2 by 3 to the power cube divided by 2 by 3 to the power 2. You can write this 2 by 3 to the power 3 minus 2, that is 2 by 3 to the power 1. Now come to LHS 2 to the power cube 3 to the power cube divided by 2 to the power square 3 to the power square. You can write the value of 2 cube, this will give you 8, and multiply 3 times, you will get 27. Here division will be changed into multiplication. 3 to the power square will go and 2 to the power square will be denominator. This will become 9 and this will become 4. And this is how on cancellation you get this is equal to 2 by 3. So we see that LHS, the value of this part is equal to value of this part RHS. So this is how in simplification all these laws of exponents are much helpful, and you can use this to find out to simplify the complex mathematical expression. These laws are very helpful. Chapter 2 Exponents. I am starting today a new chapter, chapter 2 Exponent, exercise 2. First of all, I am going to define you exponent and laws of exponent. Definition I have already told you, and I have explained some laws also. I am explaining you law number 6. Law number 6 is a by b to the power n in the bracket whole power n. This will be equal to a by b to the power m into n. Means if there are two continuous exponents, then we can multiply the exponents. The same thing has been done here. A by b equal to m into n. For example, I have taken 3 by 2 to the power 3 whole to the power square 2 equal to 3 by 2, 3 into 2, that is 3 by 2 to the power 6. First, let us proceed by taking LHS. 3, this can be written as, by laws of exponent, 3 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3 in the bracket whole exponent is 2. This will become 3 to the power 3, this will become 27 and this will become 28. Again, if we square 27 and 8, we shall get 729 divided by 64. Now come to the RHS. 3 by 2 to the power 6. This will be equal to 3 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 6. If you multiply 3 by 6 times, then you will get 729, and if you multiply 2 into 2 6 times, this will give you 64. So this is how we observe that LHS and RHS both values are equal. Now here all the laws of exponent finished, and now I am going to start exercise 2a. This is third question of question number first. 4 by 3 to the power minus 3. You have to evaluate. You have to find out the value of this expression. You know you can't do any operation until this exponent is negative. So first of all, make it positive. You know, to make it positive, we have to write reciprocal of 4 by 3. So this will become 3 by 4 to the power cube. You can write this 3 to the power cube divided by 4 to the power cube. This will become 27 and this will become 4 into 4 into 4, 64. So this is its answer. Second question is second का second. 5 you have to find out the value of this expression. This is in the form of product. 5 by 6 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6 to the power minus 4. Bases are same, and we can say, you can say bases are same, so you can add the exponents. So this will become 5 by 6, 6 plus minus 4. This will become 5 by 6, 6 minus 4, this will become 2, and the value of 5 square by 6 square, this will give you 25 by 6. Now come to the question number 3 first. You have to find out the value of 5 by 9 to the power minus 2, 3 by 5 to the power minus 3, and into 3 by 5 to the power 0. First of all, I shall make this exponent positive. Automatically, this will become 9 by 5 to the square can be written as 5 by 3 to the power 3, and you know any rational number which is raised by the power 0, it will become 1. Now all these are with positive exponents, so you can write here 9 to the power square, 5 to the power square into 5 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3. You can write this 9 3 square, and this is this square. 3 and bring this 3 here, and 5 and this 5 together. 5 to the power cube, 5 to the power square. Now this will become 3 to the 4, 4, and this is in division. You know in division the exponents are subtracted. So this will become 4 minus 3, and here 5 to the power 3 minus 2. This is in division, and you can do like this. This will become 3 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1. You can write here 3 into 5, this will become 15. Now come to the question number 4. First, you have to simplify it. You can proceed on the basis of BODMAS rule. First, I am going to break the small bracket. This will become minus 2 to the power square, 3 to the power square. Again, this power comes here. This will become minus 2 into minus 2. This will become 4, and this will become 9 to the power minus 2. You can change this negative exponent into positive, and this will become 9 by 4. This is reciprocal of 4 by 9. This will become positive, and now you can write the value of 9 9 is 81, 4 4 is 16. This is answer. Again come to the question number 3. This is big bracket, curly bracket, and a small bracket. A small bracket. Now do it according to BODMAS rule. First of all, simplify the small bracket. This will become minus 1 into minus 1 equal to plus 1, and this will 3 3 is 9. Again this is 9, 1 by 9 to the power minus 2. Again make it positive by writing reciprocal of 1 by 9. Reciprocal of 9 will be 9. Then it will become plus 2. 9 9 is 81. Again in the last power is minus 1. Minus 1, write the reciprocal of 81. This will be 81 to the power, it will become positive, and this is simply 1 by 81. This is answer. Again come to the question number 3rd. This is in the curly bracket, a small bracket. In the small bracket, the exponent is minus 2. So this can be I am here applying the 6 laws. You can multiply 2 into 2. This will become minus 2 into 2 minus 4. 3 by 2. To change it into positive exponent, write the reciprocal of 3 by 2. This will become 2 by 3. Then it will become positive. Exponent is positive. Now multiply 2 4 times and 3 4 times. This will become 16, and this will become 81. This is answer. Now come to the question number 5. Curly bracket 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power minus 3 divided by 1 by 4 to the power minus 3. Here exponent is negative. First of all, change this negative exponent into positive by writing reciprocal of 1 by 3. And this will become 3 to the power cube minus this will become 2 to the power cube. This will become 3 multiply 3 times. This will become 27 and multiply 2 multiplying 3 times. This will become my 8. 27 minus 8. This will become 19 and this will become 1. This will become 4. 4 multiplied by 4 3 times. This will give you 64. Finally, the answer is 90 by 64. Now come to the question number 7. 5 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 whole power minus 1 divided by 6 to the power minus 1. You have to simplify, means you have to find out the value of this. You can write here 1 by 5 into 1 by 3 to the power minus 1 divided by, you can write this 1 by 6. By doing so, you change the negative exponents into positive. And now this will become 1 by 15 to the power minus 1 divided by 1 to the 1 by 6. You can write this reciprocal. Exponent is negative, so you can write here 15 to the power 1 divided by 1 by 6. Now change this division into multiplication and this will become 15 into 6. This will give you 90. Come to the question number 8. Third of question number 8. 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. This will become 2 square to make the exponent positive plus 3 to the power square plus 4 to the power square. This will become 2 to the 4, 3 3 the 9 plus 4 4 the 16. If you add 4, 9, 16, then you will get 29. Now come to the question number 9. This is in equation form. You have to find out the value of x if 5 by 3 to the power minus 4 into 5 by 3 to the power minus 4. Here equal to 5 by 3 to the power 3x. You have to find out the value of x. By exponent line you can write this. Bases are same 5 by 3, 5 by 3. So in multiplication you know if the bases are same then you can add the exponents. So we can write here 5 by 3 to the power minus 4 plus minus 5. This will become 5 by 3 minus 9. This is also 5 by 3 to the power 3x. Now you can equate the exponent on both sides. Why? Because you see LHS and RHS both are same. So their values are same. bases are same, so exponents must be equal, and thus you can write minus 9 equal to 3x. Therefore 3x equal to minus 9 by 3. This will give you x equal to minus 3. This is last question 13. 5 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 equal to 125. You have to find out the value of x. I am going to slightly change here. 5 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by, you can write 25, 5 to the power square, and this is, you can write 125, you can write here 5 to the power 3. Actually I have done it to make the all bases same. Now the bases are same, it is equal to 5, 5 and 5. Here there is multiplication, so exponents should be subtracted. Therefore you can write here 5 to the power 2x plus 1. This will become minus 2. I have subtracted this exponent from this exponent. So this will be equal to 5 to the power 2x plus 1 minus 2. This is equal to 5 to the power cube. You can write here 5 to the power 2x minus 1. Here 5 to the power 3. Now you can equate the bases are same, values of RHS and LHS are same, therefore exponents must be equal. So by equating the exponents equal, you can write here 2x minus 1 equal to 3. 2x, you can write here, this will go this side, so 3 plus 1 4, and you can divide 4 by 2 to get the value of x. This is how x equal to 2.